Now, in this problem, the particle is launched towards x-axis. Both the fields are parallel to y-axis, which means the particle will go on a helical path like this. Now, radius of this helical path will remain the same because the velocity perpendicular to magnetic field is same, and that decides the radius of the path. The pitch, however, will increase with time because its velocity in y direction will increase because of electric field. Now we are supposed to find when it crosses the y-axis for the nth time. That is when it completes the nth loop. What is the angle between the final velocity v and y-axis? So this angle theta we are supposed to find. So let's resolve this into the two components. So when it just crosses the axis, its velocity is going to be the same as initial in x direction. So Vx will remain u. So helical path of same radius but increasing pitch. At nth crossing, time is equal to n times 2 pi m by qb. So for one loop, time is 2 pi m by qb. So for nth crossing, time is n times 2 pi m by qb. And its velocity component in x will be same as before, which is u. And Vz is 0. At any other point in this loop, we will have some velocity in z direction also. Only when it crosses the y-axis, then it regains its initial u in x direction. So at this time t, what happens in y direction? So Vy becomes u plus at. So initially it's 0 and acceleration is qe by m times time. So time we will use from here and we will get Vy is equal to 2n pi e by b. So this theta we are supposed to find, and tan theta is Vx by Vy. So theta is tan inverse Vx by Vy. So we'll put Vx as u and Vy as this value and we'll get our answer.